Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in investing, you've probably heard the terms growth stocks and value stocks. But what do they actually mean? And which one might be right for you? In today's video, we'll break down the key differences between growth stocks and value stocks in a simple and easy to understand way. Let's get started. What are growth stocks? Growth stocks are shares of companies that are expected to grow their revenue and earnings faster than the overall market. These companies often reinvest their profits back into the business instead of paying large dividends. Examples may include companies in technology, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and innovative industries. Investors buy growth stocks because they believe the company will become much larger in the future. Characteristics of growth stocks: high revenue growth, strong future potential, often trade at higher valuations, usually pay little or no dividends, can be more volatile. For example, if a company develops groundbreaking technology and rapidly expands its customer base, investors may be willing to pay a premium for its shares today. What are value stocks? Value stocks are shares that appear to be trading below their estimated worth. These companies are often well-established businesses with stable earnings and strong financial foundations. Investors look for value stocks when they believe the market has undervalued a company. Characteristics of value stocks: lower valuation ratios, more mature businesses, often pay dividends, generally lower volatility, focus on long-term stability. Examples can include banks, utilities, insurance companies, consumer goods, companies, and industrial businesses. Growth stocks versus value stocks. Let's compare them side by side. Growth stocks focus on future expansion, higher risk, and higher potential reward. Often expensive based on earnings, limited dividend payments, more sensitive to market sentiment. Value stocks focus on current business strength, usually lower risk, often trade at lower prices relative to earnings, frequently pay dividends, can provide steady returns over time. Which performs better? The truth is that neither style wins all the time. During periods of economic expansion and technological innovation, growth stocks often outperform. During uncertain economic conditions or higher interest rate environments, value stocks sometimes perform better. Market cycles change, which is why many investors choose to own a mix of both. Should you choose growth or value? Your decision depends on your goals. If you're seeking higher long-term growth and can tolerate market fluctuations, growth stocks may be attractive. If you prefer stability, dividend income, and potentially lower risk, value stocks may fit your strategy better. Many successful investors build diversified portfolios containing both growth and value investments. Final thoughts. Growth stocks focus on future potential, while value stocks focus on buying strong companies at attractive prices. Neither approach is perfect, and both have advantages and risks. The most important step is understanding your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon before investing. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing and finance content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.